We have this various exercises to be done. First one is find the max, etc. from this data. So I got student data from student 1 to 25. These are the marks obtained by them. We have to find out maximum, minimum, etc. The maximum, the formula is here. Max $10 to $34. I want to freeze this, the 10th row and the 34th row, so that when I have to give a formula for the minimum, I can just drag it from here, bring it here, then go and correct this maximum to minimum. I don't type range every time. This, of course, is the range, which is difference between max and minimum. And this is nothing but, again, I can copy from here and paste it here. And then instead of max, I just put it as average. So median is 51, mode is also 51. That you can verify. I copied the same data here into another place. Then I sorted it out, lowest to highest. Lowest is 30, 85 is the highest. So that is what comes as maximum and minimum. And middle value is the 13th value, it is 51. And 51 is repeating 3 times, and therefore it is also the mode. There is no other mode because though 62 is there, but it is 62 is repeating only twice. If it is repeated 3 times, then it would have been 3 modes, 51 as well as 62. But here it is only one, and that is coming in the formula also. Median coming as 51, mode is coming as 50. Now this one I did only for verification. You don't have to do that. Now variance, var.p, stands for population. So it comes here. Standard deviation, stdv.p. And then you can also see that square root of variance is equal to standard deviation. You want to verify? If I say how much is square root of variance, that comes to 14 point. So either you can use the standard deviation formula or you find the variance and take a square root of that or under same. Similarly, curd formula and skew formula. So these are the formulas which have to be used for finding all these. Now there are some more. These are all measures of central tendency. At least maximum, minimum is not. The mean, median, and mode. These are the measures of central tendency. Range will come under dispersion because how much is variation from the lowest to the minimum, a maximum to minimum? That is dispersion. Now there are some more means of central tendency. Now this is getting mean from the frequency distribution. Then you got geometric mean as well as harmonic mean. They are also coming under the measures of central tendency. Now let us find out how to get average for this frequency distribution. 0 to 2 there are 6, 2 to 4 there are 7. We have to make additional column to get the midpoints. 0 to 2 midpoint is 1. Between 2 and 4 that is 3. 4 to 6, 5. 6 to 8 is 7. Middle point. And then this is same as what it's. And then you have to make another additional column where I multiply 6 into 1 is 6. 7 into 1, 3 is 21. 4 into 5 is 20. 7 into 7 is 49. And 5 into 9 is 5. Then I take a total of this one. You can see the total here 141. That's what comes this, because that is what I have given the formula. And total of this comes to 29. And that's what I given the formula here. Sum. And then average is nothing but 141 by divided by 29. So that formula is here K23 by K22. So that is how you calculate the mean from a frequency distribution. Now, let us come to geometric mean. These three values are there. Formula is geo mean range 1.0 and 1.13, 1.21. You will get geometric mean. Harmonic mean 696. That formula. Har mean values are from 6. These are 3 columns. You'll get this one. So that is also quite simple. Now, histogram. All that you do is just select this cells and then go to insert, insert middle here. So not this graphs. Middle here it is written statistics charts. Under statistics there are two types: histogram and box and whisker. So I'm choosing this one, and it selects the bin width automatically. So I do not want it because the question says bin width should be 5. So click on this one, right click, format axis. Then his bin width is automatic so far 21. I want you to make it as 5. So you'll get the histogram like this. Close this one. The next question says draw. Next question says data below, draw a frequency table. Now to make a frequency table, this is the data here. To make a frequency table, first I have to make bins. So I know that data is from 25 to, you can verify, data is from 25 to less than 75. So I make this 25, 30, 35. All that I do is just to add this one and then drag it here up to 75. You can make it more also, no problem. Then I have to select this blanks here up to where the bins are there. Then write a formula. I'll remove the formula here. So I write a formula is equal to frequency. So double click on this one. Then this one you'll get. Where is the data? The data is here. Up to here, data is here. And where is the bin? The bin is here. Up to 5. Now don't press OK here. Don't press OK there. Come here and do Control Shift Enter. Then you'll get the data. And you can see that what is the total of all the frequencies put together. You get 18. And you see what is the number of data available here. That is also 18. This is how you calculate the frequency using the formula frequency. The last one we have is manufacturer produces a product with a defect rate of 0.08, that is P equal to 0.0808. What is the probability of finding exactly 3 defective products in a sample of 20? You have to use the binomial form. So only thing you have to remember what are the sample size is 20. You are drawing a sample of 20. And your probability of defect rate is 0.08. And number of defective bulbs, defective products, not bulb, products, is 3. And Q is 1 minus P. That is 1 minus 0.08. It is 0.92. That is if you have to use the formula. So direct formula. The direct formula is here. Or this is in case Excel is not available, then you have to use this one. But now since Excel, we have been told that you can use Excel. The formula is, let me do it here separate. Equal to binom dot dist in bracket. When you open this fx, you'll get what are the numbers? Numbers are probability is 0.08. Cumulative is false. Trials are 20. Numbers of defective expected. So you get this 1.4. Even if you don't press enter, you will get this one. So okay. So that is the answer. That is the answer I got here also using this formula. Same thing. So that comes to 14.14%. We calculate directly also using the formula NCK P power K into 1 minus P to the power N minus K. NCK is nothing but factorial 20 divided by factorial 3 factorial 17. that this entire part is this one. Then p power k, 0.08 to the power of 3, because k is 0, k is 3. And 1 minus p to the power of n minus k. 1 minus p is 0.92 to the power of n minus k. That is 20 minus 3, that is 17. This also gives the same. Like, that is the formula I used, 1.1414. That is 14.4%. So you are expected to use this formula by now. And that is the end of the problems.